How to find draft post on Facebook. For that, you need to open the Facebook app and tap on what's on your mind at the top of the screen. Let's type in here something. Once you type in, instead of tapping on the next, you need to get back to the home page by this back button here, and here you can see the box appear which says the option as save as draft. So you need to simply tap on the save as draft button, and on the top of the screen you can see that a notification has been sent by Facebook. So you can tap on your draft was saved notification. So yeah, now you'll be taken to this page where you can see the list of your draft post on Facebook. So this draft will be discarded after 3 days. If you want to customize this draft post and save it and post it, then you can go back and customize this post and tap on the next button. If you don't want, then let's get back and tap on three dots here and you can discard the draft as well. So in this way you can easily find draft posts on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comments and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.